Hello dudes, and guess what we're doing today? Today, it's a feed trough for the goats. Mom, would you like to explain? Never mind. Back to this. We're making a feed trough. Repairing a feed trough. We're using old
junk.
Old
troughs.
Yeah, other troughs that we don't use, and we're making them into new ones. Well, we're making
repairing.
Repairing them. Because we found one over here, and so we're repairing this one right here. So we're getting this feed trough back to where it can be ready, and I'm gonna show you guys the goat.
Yes, you tell them we have goats for sale.
Oh, and we have goats for sale, and we have this white goat. Okay, we got this white goat, this brown goat, black and white one. We have these brown and white, and a La Mancha. These are Nubians, the one with the ears, the long ears. The ones with those like that, with those ears, those are La Manchas. And they're really nice, and they're just really fun to have. So yeah, there's goats for sale. So if you were wanting to know if you wanted to get one, just send me a comment, and I will read the comments for this video. Just send me the comments saying if you want one or do not. But yeah, we are having goats for sale if you guys want any. If you guys have room for them. But back to the repairing the feed trough. Here it's standing up like this.
Let's go. You're going to have to call up to help carry.
And so this is what we have. And we're repairing it and putting these to try to fix this part right here. And so we're going to see if we can make it good as new.
All right, let's go.
But we're going to take it up to
Take it in the pen.
Yeah, take it in the pen and all that. Oh look, there's a spider. I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but there's a spider. But guys, well, yeah. So guys, I'm going to come back with the part 2, and I'll see you in the part 2. And peace.